This compact VEVOR Sonic Cleaner uses a 40 kilohertz frequency and a 60-watt transducer to pull grime out of tiny crevices that hand scrubbing never reaches. The heated tank lets you dial in gentle warmth for jewelry or higher temperatures for greasy mechanical parts, so you can match the cleaning power to what you are washing. Its stainless steel chamber and basket feel solid and resist corrosion, and the basket also keeps delicate items from rattling directly against the tank walls. The digital controls and countdown timer make it easy to repeat the same cleaning cycle, which is especially helpful when you are processing multiple batches in a row. A built-in handle and drain port make filling, carrying, and emptying the unit far less awkward than many small cleaners that have to be tipped over in a sink. Because it handles everything from eyeglasses and retainers to small tools and lab components, it serves well as a versatile cleaner for both home and light professional use.